Hi. With this movie, we will show you how to use the dynamic, conditional, date formatting, in order to retrieve dates, with special meanings from a database. First, let's add the DMXzone Calendar 3 on our page. Select the date format for your calendar. Then click the Formatting tab. You can select a different date format for the conditional dates, if needed. We'll leave this field to its default format. Click the Add New Date button. Select the Dynamic Date Source option. And select your data source in the Data Source drop-down. We've already defined an HTML5 data bindings data source that returns the reserved dates from our database. Select the repeating element of your data source. Note that when selecting the repeating element, you can use the HTML5 data bindings formatter in order to format the return data. For example, you can use the Where filter to show only dates that match a specific condition. We do not need to filter our data right now, so we just click the OK button. Click the dynamic date icon in order to select the binding that returns your dates. Select the dates binding and click the HTML5 data bindings formatter icon. We need to format the dates that come from our database. Open the Date and Time Filters category and select the Format Date filter. The dates format should be the same as the one selected in the Formatting tab. Make sure to check the yellow help tips that appear below. They will help you to enter the right format for your dates. Click the Add button and click the OK button when you are done. And then add the formatted date binding. We'll leave the till date field empty, as we only store single dates in our database. Use the till date if you want to show date ranges. Add a custom CSS class if you want to style these special dates differently. We've created a class named Reserved that adds a red background to our database dates. Choose whether your special dates should be selectable or not. We add a dynamic tooltip messages that will appear when the mouse cursor moves over any of the special dates. Click the OK button when you select the tooltip messages binding. You can add as many dynamic or static dates and date ranges as you need. Also, you can style them differently using different CSS classes. Click the OK button when you are done. Let's preview the results. You can see our special dates have a red background and show tooltip messages on hover. Also, they cannot be selected